हेलो एवरीवन। वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल पार्ट टाइम IT इन्वेस्टर। आई होप आज आपने प्रॉफिट बनाया होगा क्योंकि कल हमने जो डिस्कस किया था मार्केट वैसा ही बिहेव किया है, ऑलमोस्ट वैसा ही। ओके, सो आई थिंक इट वाज अ गुड डे टुडे। So let's quickly go ahead and check which were the top gainer and how will market behave tomorrow. Okay, so as you can see from my thumbnail guys, okay, थंबनेल में हमने क्लियरली यहाँ पे लिखा है जो निफ्टी गेन जो आज हुआ है, ओके, व्हाट एवर गेन विच इज मेड बाय निफ्टी almost around 200 points, whether is it a trap or not. Okay, because as expected, okay, from I think from 200 day, okay, from 200 day moving average, okay, market has bounced back, which was expected, but whether we will be able to sustain this upward rally or not, that is a big question, and I will tell you why. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and quickly check how was the market today and which were the top gainer and loser. Okay, हम लोग देख सकते हैं गाइस जो जो मेजर जो हमारे यहाँ पे टॉप गेनर्स है यहाँ पे, ओके, are the companies which will be positively impacted by, okay, by GST reforms. Okay, so let's say Bajaj Auto again, M&M, Tata Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Eicher Motor. So I think they might have already known that government might reduce GST to around 18%. Okay, so that's why in the top gainer today we have seen the automotive segment. Okay, now in the top loser, okay, top loser, I think we have some surprise. I think ITC, I'm expecting ITC to be there. Okay, so that is there, but due to sin stock. But HUL, I don't know. I think it might be just profit booking. Okay, Reliance, I think due to the news which we have discussed yesterday, and then HDFC Bank, I think is not much of the negative here. So I think we see major stocks were performing today. Okay, very less stocks were in negative today. So I think today was a very good day after so many weeks. Okay, so now let's go ahead and quickly check how was the market today and what was our yesterday analysis. So yesterday we clearly discussed that market, okay, will will retrace back to this level, which is around 24,570, and from here it can go towards a downward journey of 24,200. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग शॉर्ट कवरिंग। तो हमने कल डिस्कस किया था कि हम शॉर्ट कवरिंग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं टूवर्ड्स 24,570। ओके, और वहां से फिर हम रिवर्सल एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, द मेन रीजन विच आई वाज पॉइंटिंग टूवर्ड इज INR getting crashed. Okay, so USD INR as of now is above 88 rupees, okay, per dollar. So based upon that, I think market आज 24,500 तक गया guys, लेकिन it further broke down. I think it further broke the our resistance to around 24,625. That we will cover into the chart. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly see the chart. Okay, so if you are new to our channel guys, before we go ahead with our discussion, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Okay, this is our channel part-time IT investor. All right, okay, so I think let's go ahead and quickly check on our chart. Guys, that trading view. Okay, so this is our today's chart guys. Okay, and as we discussed yesterday, okay, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने कल डिस्कस किया था गाइस, ओके, सो मार्केट हमारा जैसे ही ओपन हुआ, ओके, उसके बाद से शॉर्ट कवरिंग चली रही थी। ओके, सो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट अराउंड 24,570 market will do reversal, but it's also surprised me and it went as high as 24,624. Okay, so this is something which is also confusing for me as well. Okay, so guys, market हमेशा वैसे ही बिहेव नहीं करता जैसे हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, but I think direction was very correct. So based upon that, I have created my strategy of bear condor. Okay, so currently it is in running in loss. Okay, because it exceeded my target by another maybe 60-70 points, but tomorrow is expiry, so that will get covered. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. So कल क्या हो सकता है मार्केट में? ओके, व्हाट कैन हैपन टुमारो इन मार्केट? ओके, दैट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो नाउ वी कैन सी दैट कि मार्केट ने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे 100 डे सॉरी 200 डे मा से बाउंस बैक किया है. ओके, एंड इट इज नियर इट्स 100 डे मा नाउ. Okay, so if I wanted to see, okay, on daily basis, okay, on daily chart, okay, so if you see this pattern, okay, यहाँ से continuously fall कर रहा था हमारा यहाँ पे, and it took a support around here, and that's what I was expecting. And अगर आप देखिए guys, okay, if you see, okay, so this is the range which I have already created. So from this level, I was expecting bounce back. So ऐसे ही exact bounce back हुआ है exactly around that level. Okay, लेकिन I am not still convinced जब तक कि ये okay market 24,700 break नहीं करता है. So until this market enters this zone, okay, about 24,700, I will not go at the bull side. I will maintain my uh, analysis for the downward side, guys. Okay, I am ready to take the stop loss because anyway I will be playing with the stop loss because guys क्योंकि मार्केट ऐसे टाइम पे जब रिवर्स होना गाइस काफी तेज रिवर्स होता है हमको हमारे स्टॉप लॉस हिट भी नहीं होंगे. ओके इतना फास्ट होता है ये मेरे एक्सपीरियंस है. सो 1,000-2,000 रुपये अगर मैं स्टॉप लॉस में जाएंगे आई विल बी एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ओके इफ आई एम रॉन्ग हम वापस से ट्रेड कर लेंगे एंड वी कैन कवर दैट $1,000. But if I maintain the bullish position now, okay, and if market still reverses very hard, that loss will be very high. Okay, so I'll be maintaining my modified bear condor strategy, so that loss will be limited to around $1,000. Okay, and if it falls below, then we might be earning fair amount of profit around 3 to 4%. Okay, within a couple of days time frame. So for tomorrow, okay, I'll be expecting market per resistance will be 24,700. Okay. Now, since it has broken this level, okay, of 24,550, now this will become our support now. 24,550 will become our support. If it breaks, then next will be this, okay, which will be 24,450. Okay, so let me reiterate again the level over here. Okay, so at the top side it will be 24,700, then at the lower side 24,550. If it breaks, then 24,450. Okay, it can further go to 24,400 itself. Okay, so that's the expectation. So market can go up over here, then it can further continue to downward do its downward journey. Okay, so at least that is a strategy, guys, and that's the level based upon the analysis which is coming. Now let's go ahead and quickly check हमारा open interest data वो support करता है या नहीं करता है. Okay, okay, let me pause this. Okay, so we are here in Sensible to check the open interest data. So as we can see over here, we are having a strong support around 24,600 level over here, then 24,500. Okay, so at the downward side we can say 24,500. Okay, on the upward side if you see, okay, we are directly seeing the level around 25,000. Okay, strong resistance around 25,000. So I think this data I'm not quite convinced, guys. You can see we are also having a strong it's not that strong, as if you see this level 24,700 to 24,800. Okay, so if I want to see the two strong level, okay, that will be 25,000. Okay, and here 24,500. Okay, these are the two levels which is coming, okay, over here. But at the downs at further another level which is popping up over is 24,800. Okay, so market open interest data is not quite good. Okay, it's really confusing, guys. It can be because now the expiry date has been shifted to Tuesday, so many of the people might not be aware of that and they might be expecting the expiry on Thursday. This data can be skewed, but it cannot be that much skewed. Okay, so something is not quite right over here. Okay, but I think the biggest at least the downward side, this level is intact. Okay, 24,500 is a critical support. If it breaks, we can see the further downside. For the upward side, if we can further see the short covering till 24,800 tomorrow as well. And this is the open interest data is showing. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check the FII data. So in FI data, we can see, I think the selling has reduced by FIs as against DI who is buying heavily. Okay, that's a bit of surprise over here. And if I wanted to see the future, then future it's showing purely bullish. Okay. Then if I go ahead and check the options data, here also it is showing purely bullish. So guys, at least based upon the options data and FI data, it seems that tomorrow we can achieve 24,800 level as well. Okay, at least that's what we can see over here. Okay, so based upon that, I think I might take a stop loss maybe on tomorrow if I'm wrong. But that is absolutely fine with me. Okay, I would like to be safe rather trading on speculation. Okay, but data is pointing towards the upward side of 24,800 guys. Okay, at least that's what I can see. So, and the downward side will be 24,500. So this will be the range tomorrow. Okay, I think that is confirmed. So if this range, if India VIX remains range bound tomorrow, okay, I can try to create a straddle. Okay, to benefit. But I think since tomorrow is expiry, I think I will simply stay out of market. Okay, I will maintain my beer condo because due to the expiry change from Thursday to Tuesday, I don't know how market will react tomorrow. Okay, because today also I saw that guys. Okay, in the post market analysis that options were decaying very fast. Okay, as against the price increase. Okay, so something is not quite right today. Okay, what I felt. But let's see. Tomorrow, if market crashes, then I think this weekend it will get confirmed that it was a trap. But if it crosses 24,800, then we can say we have a market reversal. Okay, at least till 25,200. Okay, so that will be arranged now. Okay, so let's go ahead and quickly check what were my positions. Okay, so forget about this position, guys. Okay, I have hedged my portfolio. Okay. मैंने hedging किया ये portfolio किया I think for the downward side. So I think I will create a separate video how to hedge your portfolio. So at least that will help me to recover some of the loss which I can my portfolio will be doing when market falls. Okay. Uh, so let's see. Now this is my portfolio. I think this is my position which I have kept open for the modified beer condo. You can see I also booked some loss of 24,650 because market was closing on 24,625. Okay. Now, if I go ahead and check, okay, the payoff graph over here. Okay. So this is how payoff graph will see. We can see. So if market, okay, closes below. Okay, so this will be my exit strategy, guys. Okay, so if market goes about 24,700, okay, so I will start making loss. Okay, so this will be my stop loss. If market goes over 24,700, I will be exiting this strategy completely. All right. So let's see how market will behave tomorrow. Okay, so let's say I go to September then and then market opens, let's say opens at the same point. Then also I think I will be in loss of 400 or 500 rupees. But including the trading charges, that will be 700 to 800 rupees. Okay, so that is the strategy, guys, which I am currently holding. But tomorrow I think I will observe and let's see how things will go. Okay, so I think that's it from my side, guys, for today. So before we close the video, guys, I just wanted to quickly check how the global market is performing, especially the Gift Nifty. Gift Nifty is trading a bit positive, but one of the good news which I can see over here, guys, I think our USD INR is retracing back. Okay, its previous high, which is 27, 87 rupees 80 paisa. If this comes in, guys, I think it's a good news for our market. Okay, then I think we might see a continued uptrend. Okay, it was 25,200. So let's see if market breaks the level of 24,800 tomorrow. If it breaks, then yes, there will be a new strategy in place for the next week then. Okay, so I think that's it from my side, guys. So for today, have a good night. See you tomorrow in the morning. Bye bye for now.